we are in a learning mood. I am going to be
A
following
makeup tutorial from one of my favorite YouTubers. That YouTuber is Itslikelymakeup. I don't know how many of you all follow her, but she tends to do these artsy, cute, sometimes e-girl looks. A lot of freckles and a lot of blush and that sort of thing. So today she's doing um, let me tell you, easy peachy in-depth makeup tutorial. It looks simple enough, but we'll see if we can do it. So grab a snack, get a drink, and get comfortable. We're gonna start this now.
Alright, we're gonna start with the Milk Makeup Hydrating Oil.
Okay, she starts with primer. I don't have half these products that she has, so I'm just gonna be using the products that I have. And hopefully we get a look that is similar.
A small
She's
accomplishment,
so
but it means a lot to me. For foundation,
okay,
I'm going to use the Fenty.
Listen, remember I told you guys that I didn't have foundation? You would not believe what I did. So my leftover Super Stay in the right shade, I literally popped the top off because we're desperate in this lockdown. She puts her foundation on the back of her arm and is just going in really lightly, so it's not a heavy base, which I love.
So we don't get too heavy. Also using the Fenty.
So I'm going to be using my foundation stick as concealer. She is using the Fenty, but I figure use whatever you like, whatever you're comfortable with. She's using a contour stick, but I'm going to be using powder because that's what I have. I have no contour sticks right now.
This is the Anastasia foundation brush, but it works great for contouring. It's the perfect size. It's really dense. Across here and down the sides of my nose.
Wow, okay. So that is a lot of contour. Let's see if we can do it. I like her technique though. It might slim my chubby nose a little bit. So she does underneath. I'm guessing to cut the length of the nose. And then she does down the sides. And then she does this. Does that look good on me? Next step.
This looks like a lipstick, but surprise, it's a lip balm.
I do not have that lip balm, so I will be using a lipstick instead. A creamy lipstick. Hopefully it's going to be shea enough. You know what I like too? Lip tints. If you all know of a really good lip tint, tell me in the comments below. I also want to know like who is your favorite makeup YouTuber, because I really want to learn some new techniques, and I don't mind following the tutorials and trying them on myself.
For powder, I'm going to do a little mix. I'm going to use the Anastasia powder, and I'm going to mix it with some of the Milk Makeup powder.
Okay, she powders all the basic places, but she's using her blending brush. Her blending sponge. I don't know if that is going to be a cakey look because I don't usually do that, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. We follow it as closely as possible. She said very little. I don't know about this. I have puffy under eyes naturally, and they're sunken in. So I think even when I was younger, I had lines, well, very fine lines, not severe wrinkles or anything, but lines. So I don't know if this technique would be ideal for me, but if you try this video, I mean, try what works for you. So we are all powdered up and ready to go. Let's see what she does next.
So I'm going to go in with the Sigma Spotlight Duster. This is a highlight brush, but it's so good for powder. And just with a little bit.
She is using a very light powder, but she is very fair skinned, so I'm not going to attempt to use any white powders. The closest to a white powder that I will ever use is rice powder, which I normally use, but I ran out and I can't get it now. So, oh, I didn't do that, so let's do that now. She
dust away the extra powder, and I'm guessing it will help with blending as well.
Using the makeup off, especially on dry spots like my nose and forehead. I'm going to take a really fluffy brush and the BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer. I'm going to really lightly dust this over my contour. I love taking a little bit of this and putting it only across my nose.
Okay, bronzer. Alright, did she just put it on her cheeks and her nose? You see what's happening? I don't know, I feel like this look ended up looking like it was 2 products on her face, and these are a lot of steps. She then puts bronzer on her nose. Oh, that does look like sun. That's cute. I like this. I thought blush was cute on the nose, but this is really cute. I like this. Oh my god. See? This is why we doing tutorials. This is why. We learning things every day.
Next, I'm going to highlight with the Samantha March Start Inspired Ofra highlighter. And this is one of the Milk Makeup Sephora.
Okay, highlighter. She has a really different face shape. So instead of doing highlighter here, she brings the highlighter like this. So her face is like this, which is cute. And she does a lot of cat eye looks. So we're going to try it her way. And see if it changes the shape of the face at all. And she also does a see. I have never done highlighter in this angle, but she does a highlighter very similar to me, which is at the tip and down the center. Guys, I am loving the shape of my face all of a sudden. Like, it looks, to me it looks different. I don't know if I'm just seeing things, but it looks different to me. So let's see what she does next.
My face with some of the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Spray. I love this, but mostly because of the smell. It smells like summer. I'm not...
Okay. So she's putting setting spray now? Man, that is so damn chunky. Like, it is the worst. Actually, let me just say the worst. The product for $9 is actually really good, but the mist, it's like spraying your face with a hose, like a garden hose. Guys, can you please tell me in the comments below, what is the best setting spray in the affordable bracket? We don't want high-end because a lot of the things that I'm doing on this channel is to highlight affordable products that actually work. I really wish this setting spray had a better mist because it's really nice. Like, I used it a few times and the makeup doesn't budge. It's a nice setting spray. But by the way, if y'all are hearing like clicking noises, we are in lockdown like the rest of the world, and my son is literally right next to me playing video games. So you're hearing the controller just clicking. But y'all understand. I'm sure y'all understand.
For brows, I'm going to use the Bold Face Better Brows Pencil in the shade B3.
Okay, she uses a pencil and then a Glossier product. I will just be using a pencil because I don't need all of that. What I noticed as well is that she does these really natural, unkept, fluffy brows. It's cute and a little bit refreshing too. And she also takes the brow out more straight and there's not a curve. So less work for me again. What she uses the Glossier product for is to fill in the gaps in her brows. I don't have a whole lot of gaps here, so the pencil is just fine. But if you need it, use what you need. She then just brushes them to make them look even fluffier and more natural. Get rid of any like pencil lines, harsh pencil lines. We did so many steps and we haven't gone on to eyes yet. So hopefully the next step may be eyes.
For the eyes, I'm going to use the Sugar Pill Capsule Collection number 2. First, I'm going to use the shade Retrograde. And we're just doing a little chill.
She takes a light peach. The eye shape is very interesting. It's like almost like a triangle. And it's so light, but I like the shape. I don't know if that is what has her eyes like lifted all the time. So she puts the tiniest bit of a peach eyeshadow. I'm just using one that matches my skin tone a little better so you could see it. She's very fair, obviously, so she could use a real light color.
And then I'm going to use the shade Elevate, and I'm going to apply that to the lid. Just for a little shine.
Shimmer time. What are we using? Okay, she sweeps a shimmer all the way across the eyelid. Ooh. Okay. So she puts that shimmer shade, a little bit of it at the bottom as well. I've never put such a light shimmer on the lower lash. So we'll see how it looks on me. So far, I'm a little bit shocked with the techniques, although I look at her all the time, but actually trying them, I am a little bit taken aback, but I feel they work. I don't know, it's very different to how I normally do makeup, and I feel like I was stuck in maybe a rut just doing the same techniques over and over again, just using different colors, which, you know, it just gets boring after a while. So, but I'm enjoying this. Another thing, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, and I think I will be doing these videos a lot more often. I'm gonna find more videos like this to do. This is a girl after my own heart. Like, just bathe me in highlighter, please. She does highlighter a little bit at the top. The inner corners. And even more highlighter on the lids. This is so much highlighter. Please, makeup gods, let it be eyeliner next. Please.
For liner, I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Eyeliner. It's kind of a
this girl, I love her so much. It's pencil eyeliner. No liquid liner again. Oh yes, pray for us. Okay, she's done doing the inner area. And peeking it out just a bit. This is just to accentuate that cat eye look that she seems to be loving these days. I think if you have products that work well, I am not pleased with the eyeliner, and it's not her technique, it's my product. So I'm hoping that she's doing something to fix it. So she's applying lashes, which I told you all before, if you watch this, any of my videos, I have no lashes in the house. I'm not a professional makeup artist, so I don't have stacks and stacks of falsies. I have 0 lashes right now. So let's just apply some mascara in place of the lashes. Hopefully, I mean, lashes, they do give that nice cat eye look and fill out the eye look. So for a look like this, I am missing it, but we're gonna have to make do with what we have, as I said. So I'm pleased with this mascara that I use, which is Wonderlash from Rimmel, but it's not waterproof. If you all use a waterproof lash that you really love, can you tell me about it in the comments, and I will try it. I'm hearing good things about Wet n Wild mascara. Oh nice, she's using a liquid liner. Okay, she's using a liquid liner just to sharpen up the outer edge of the wing, so that's what we're gonna do now. So we made the eyeliner work a little bit. It's not perfect, but next she's using a white eyeliner on the waterline.
Waterline.
But I'm obviously of darker complexion to her, so I'm going to be using a peach.
And now I'm going to finish the rest of my face. For blush, I'm going to use the Itslikelymakeup Fairy Blush. And I'm going to use the shade
Blush time. Okay, she's using a peach blush over her highlighter. Alright, let's see. And a little bit on the nose. This is, to me, her signature look. Blush on the nose and freckles. And she looks so cute. Mascara on the lower lash. Oh, damn.
For freckles, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette, and I'm going to use this shade here, and a little bit of this dark brown, and just kind of mix them together. I'm only going to do a few. I always say that, and then I end up doing a ton.
Cream blush on the lips. But I guess you could use, any product you choose to. And then she tops it with some of the peach blush. The lips are not sharply lined as well. It's this really soft, dusty lip look. I'm really liking this though. It looks so natural. Okay guys, and this is the final look. I think it is just absolutely cute. Some of my techniques weren't as good as hers, but I feel with practice, it's gonna get better. I'm definitely incorporating some of these because I love the really subtle eye look. It just took, it looks like a lot of work, but it's really just a few products and the outcome is so pretty. I really love it. The only thing I didn't do that she is doing is the faux freckles. It's late and I don't feel I want to go through all that tonight. But I probably will do it in another video. So if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this, because I definitely plan to be looking at some of the bigger YouTubers and following their techniques and see if I learn something new. And that is about it. I will see you all soon. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I upload. I upload on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And yeah, so stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy.